Hi guys, so excuse the lighting, it's a really rainy, horrible day, so it's just gonna be all over the place, but basically today I'm doing a fake tan review. I haven't done one in a few months and I'm excited because it is the Filter Tan by Molly May, which is this tan right here. So the reason I'm excited for this is because in the UK especially, it's a very well-known tan. Molly May is basically, for those of you who don't know, she was on Love Island, which is a show I think in most countries. Yeah, she was on Love Island, and after that she came off and made her own fake tan brand, which is called Filter. For the fake tans that I've done, this is more pricey. This was around £20 I believe. For a fake tan, that's pretty standard, that's a pretty good price. So before we get in, I just want to say this is going to be an extremely honest review because I did not have a good experience to start off with. I'm just gonna say that straight away. So I'm gonna give a quick kind of run through what happened, and then it will make more sense when you watch the video. So basically I ordered this around 2 months ago. I ordered this tan, the dark one right here, and I ordered a tanning mitt as well. So that was all fine. I got a little notification on my email saying that it might be a bit delayed because of the pandemic, which obviously I understood, it's corona, I understand that. So I was waiting. It took around 3 weeks for this to arrive, and I was like, you know what, that's not a big deal, like obviously it's a pandemic, that is fine. So I go to do the unboxing on camera obviously because I wanted my reaction to be genuine, like I was excited for this and I wanted you guys to see it too. But when I open it, there is only the tan and not the mitt. And in the box there was a little note saying the mitt will follow soon. So then I had to message and kind of ask what was going on. I just want to clarify that I did wait around like 2 weeks before I emailed them about the mitt. I wanted to give them a chance to see if they would actually send the mitt before I emailed them, which they didn't, and that's why I then emailed them. Because I never got an email saying that the tan was going to be coming later. It was just like a little sticky note in the box, so I was like, oh, is this genuine or whatever? So yeah, but they basically explained that a lot of stock had been like delayed or something, and my tanning mitt was part of that. They asked if I wanted a refund and I was like, it's fine, I'll just wait, because they told me it wouldn't be that long. Then it had been another 3 weeks and they told me that they would email me to say that my tanning mitt was going to be coming soon, and I never got that email. So I decided to cancel it, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get my money back because I want to do this review and it's taking so ridiculously long. Like I don't know anyone else who has experienced this, and I've watched a few filter tan reviews on YouTube especially, so yeah, it kind of annoyed me, and I was like, you know what, I'm just wasting my time. So I emailed them being like, hi, like I've changed my mind, I do actually want to get a refund. They then replied to me saying that they won't issue me a refund because everything should have been delivered in that box, and on their system it says it had been. So I got really annoyed and I was like, well, that is not right. So I emailed them back saying that's not true, and then I didn't really get much of a response. So then I emailed them again. I might have taken the piss with this just a tiny bit, but I was really frustrated. And yes, the tanning mitt is only £10, but that £10 is very precious to me because I haven't got much money, and I just wanted to get that all sorted. So I might have done something that I probably should have done, but I don't care. So I basically emailed them back saying that I do YouTube and that the actual review was for YouTube, and that I was going to be letting all of you guys know about this because I was extremely unhappy and blah blah blah. As soon as I sent that, literally a couple of hours later, I got an email saying they were going to refund me. So I don't know if it's because I said that or what. This really did annoy me because I was actually so excited to try out the tan itself. And I don't know, I'm not going to reflect that onto the actual product because that is just the customer service of the brand, which from my experience is really bad. Like I had such a bad experience, and it has actually put me off ordering from them again if it's going to be that difficult to get a refund or to even find out what's going on with my actual order. Anyways, I just thought I'd let you guys know because when I do the unboxing, I'm actually really confused as to why the mitt is in there and stuff, so that would probably make a bit more sense. I've got some clips of me tanning and me trying out the mousse and stuff, and I've got like a before and after as well. That's all going to go and start now, and then once all that's through, I will then actually tell you what I think and give you an actual review of the actual tan. Aspire literally just crawled out of this box. I'm not even lying to you. I feel sick. Oh my god, ew. I thought that I would unbox the actual box as well, so you can see what it looks like when you get it. So I ordered the dark shade of Molly May's tan, and then I ordered the tanning mitt as well. It's kind of odd because I've never seen a fake tan mitt like that. It's like, it kind of reminds me of an oven glove. I don't know if I'm the only one that thinks that, but I get those kind of vibes from it. So I'm gonna open it like this so you can see how it looks like when it arrives. I don't know why I'm going through so much effort to show you what a box looks like when it's open, but whatever. Ooh. Before also, I want to say that I actually really like how they deliver tan in like a box like this. It definitely makes it feel like a lot more luxurious. So it arrives like that. It says filter by Molly May in the box as well. Oh, I haven't got the tanning mitt. What? I guess there won't be fake tanning after all then. It says large mitt to follow. So I was expecting the mitt to be here, which it's not, but you know, it's okay, we move, we continue. So the actual fake tan arrives in, oh my god, it arrives in like a little tin. So that's what it looks like. It's actually really nice. It looks very luxurious. So it's 200 ml, and I'm guessing to get the fake tan out, you just open this. Okay, so then it pops out of a little thing like that, and like a plastic kind of protective layer. So that is what it looks like. I'm not gonna lie, I'm slightly frustrated just because obviously I wanted to film a video for you guys, and now I'm gonna have to wait. I had a shower, I shaved, I exfoliated, I moisturized, because I was like, you know what, I'm gonna unbox it on camera. I should have probably just opened it myself. That would have saved me a lot of time. Just woke up, you can tell because my hair is messy. I literally woke up, and when I opened the blind, I was like, oh my god, I'm orange. Oh my god, I can't believe how dark I am. Look, can you see that? Obviously I need to wash it off first. It will be interesting to see if it washes all of it off, which is some, but I'm literally like so dark. I think this is the darkest I've ever been when I fake tanned. I'll show you guys my legs. My legs are also extremely dark too. Ignore the scratches, but oh, this one's a bit paler actually. So now I'm gonna give you guys my actual thoughts for this fake tan. I'm not gonna lie, I was really skeptical, but I can't lie, this tan is actually really good. The smell of it, when I was applying it, I was so shocked. You know that really typical tan smell? This fake tan did not have it. It was a really nice, like, I can't even describe it. It was just such a nice smell. But then as the tan starts to kind of develop, the smell of biscuits and stuff just kind of come through. So, I mean, that's pretty standard for most tans. The actual color is really dark. Obviously, this is a dark tan. I feel like because I'm quite pale as well, and I don't wear fake tan constantly, maybe that's also why it doesn't suit me. I'm not really sure, but I do like it. I think it does look nice. The only thing is that I have people pointing it out, being like, oh wow, you're really dark. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Take of it what you will, but yeah. When I went in the shower and I was washing it off, a lot came off. A lot of it did come off, but when I came out of the shower, a lot of it was still on, so it wasn't like a bad thing. Like when I came out, I actually felt a bit nicer because the tan wasn't as like intense, and it came off as like a more natural kind of color, rather than when you first apply it, it's just so bright and orange. I actually watched a few reviews about this tan, and everybody in it was saying that it stains like your bed sheets. I didn't have it stain mine, luckily. I don't know if it's like the way I slept or what, but it didn't stain mine at all. It did stain the clothes I was wearing though. My pajamas were like brown, I'm not gonna lie. So if you are kind of worried about getting your bed sheets dirty or like your pajamas dirty, just wear something a bit, I don't know, just wear something you don't care about, and make sure that maybe like you've got some like old sheets or something so you don't get it dirty. It's up to you. I also slept with my tan on. On the tan, it says they recommend having 4 to 10 hours for it to fully develop. I just basically slept in it because it's just easier. Otherwise, when you go about your day, you have to kind of be careful. I made sure that I didn't go near water as well. I don't know if this tan is like waterproof. I'm not really sure if it is, but I just avoided going near it. When I was pumping it, I did find that the foam was actually evaporating really quickly, but it was still really easy to apply, and I didn't really have any difficulties with it, if I'm being completely honest with you. I'm a bit upset that I didn't get the tanning mitt, because I feel like that with the tanning mitt would have been a completely different experience, but filter wouldn't allow that, so yeah. I honestly have nothing bad to say about Molly May or the brand. The only bad thing I guess I do have to say is about the customer service. The product itself is so nice. Like, I'm actually really happy with it. It smells so good as well. When I smelled it, honestly, that is probably my favorite thing about this tan, is that the smell is just so nice when you apply it. Overall, if I'm just considering the product itself, I would give this like a 9 out of 10. If I take into account the whole situation, this whole experience would have probably been like a 6 out of 10, because it was quite frustrating trying to get them to do something and trying to get my refund back. But yeah, I hope this is really useful for you guys. If there are any other fake tan brands you want me to test out, please comment them down below, or find me on Instagram and message me, or however else you'd like to contact me. Find me and tell me. I'm always on the lookout for new fake tans to test out. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe, because that all really does help my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.